Okay, here we are on problem number 2. So we've got two goldfish. We're buying two goldfish, and we've got 7 male and we've got 8 female. And essentially all the goldfish look alike. So, if I'm taking goldfish, obviously I'm not replacing them. So I'm going to use a probability tree here, and my first goldfish has got the choice or the option of being either male or female. And then my second goldfish that I choose, it's going to also have the choice of being male or female. And so now all I've got to do is fill in the probabilities. If I've got 7 males out of 15, that's going to give me a probability for males, and then 8 out of 15 for females. And then I've used 1, so now there's only 6 males left, so it'll be 6 out of 14 and 8 out of 14. And then if I go back to the females gone first, well, now there's 1 less, so it'll be 7 out of 14 and 7 out of 14. And those are my probabilities. So now I can start looking at the questions. They want to know what the probability of both sex. Well, there's 2 possibilities that would be acceptable, either both males or both females. So the probability of them both being male is going to be 7/15 times 6/14. And the probability of them both being females is 8/15 times 7/14. Since I'm willing to accept either one of them, and there's no overlap, I just add them together. And when I do that, I'm going to get 98 over 210, and that reduces to 7/15 or 0.467 3 significant figures. All right, so let's look at part 2. In part 2, they want to know about probability of them both being female. Well, we already figured that out. That's easy. That's 56 over 210. And if I go to part 3, both female, given that they are the same sex, well, all we've got to do here is figure out the probability of them being both female and being the same sex, which, if they're both female, they have to be, and the probability of being the same sex. So if you take a look, the probability of being female and the same sex, that's 56 over 210. We already figured out the probability of being the same sex, that's 98 over 210. When I divide those, I get 4 over 7, or 0.571 to 3 significant figures. Okay, I hope that makes some sense. Thanks for watching.